Programming Basics for AI. Beginner Level. Introduction. Artificial Intelligence. AI. Systems are built using programming languages. Before learning advanced AI techniques such as machine learning or neural networks, beginners must understand the basic programming concepts used to build AI programs. Programming basics help developers process data, build algorithms, train AI models, analyze results. Most AI development today uses programming languages such as Python. Because it is simple and powerful, learning programming basics helps beginners understand how AI systems analyze data and perform intelligent tasks. What is programming in AI? Programming in AI means writing code that allows computers to analyze data, learn patterns, and make predictions. In simple words, programming for AI equals writing instructions that help computers learn from data. AI programs combine programming logic with data analysis to create intelligent systems. Important programming concepts for AI. To start working with AI, programmers need to understand several basic programming concepts: variables, data types, loops, functions, data structures, libraries. These concepts allow developers to write programs that process and analyze large datasets. Variables. A variable stores information that the program can use. Example in Python. Data equals 10, 20, 30. Print. Data. Output. 10, 20, 30. Variables are used in AI programs to store datasets, predictions, model results. Data types. Data types represent different kinds of data. Common data types include integers, numbers, floats, decimal numbers, strings, text, lists, collections of values. Example: name equals AI model. Score equals 95. AI programs often use multiple data types to represent different kinds of information. Loops. Loops allow programs to repeat tasks multiple times. Example: numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4. For number in numbers. Print. Number. Output. 1, 2, 3, 4. Loops are very important in AI because AI systems often process large datasets. Functions. A function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. Example: def calculate _average. Data. Return sum. Data. Len. Data. Numbers equals 10, 20, 30. Print. Calculate _average. Numbers. Output. 20. Functions help organize code and make AI programs easier to maintain. Data structures. Data structures help organize data efficiently. Common data structures used in AI include lists, dictionaries, arrays, matrices. Example: dataset equals 5, 10, 15, 20. These structures allow AI programs to store and process large datasets. Libraries. Libraries provide pre-built tools that simplify programming tasks. In AI development, Python libraries are commonly used. Popular libraries include NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Example: import NumPy as NP. Data equals NP, array. 1, 2, 3. Libraries help developers build AI systems faster. Example: simple data processing program. Example: Python code. Numbers equals 10, 20, 30, 40. Total equals 0. For number in numbers. Total plus equals number. Average equals total, len. Numbers. Print. Average. Quote. Average. Output. Average. 25. This example demonstrates variables, loops, calculations. These are common operations in AI programs. AI programming workflow. AI programs typically follow a workflow such as collect data, down pointing arrow, store data using data structures, down pointing arrow, process data using loops and functions, down pointing arrow, train AI model, down pointing arrow, make predictions. Programming basics help implement each step of this process. Real-life analogy. Programming basics are like learning the basic tools needed to build a machine. Before building a complex machine, an engineer must learn how to use tools such as screwdrivers, wrenches, measuring instruments. Similarly, programmers must understand basic programming concepts before building AI systems. Why programming basics matter for AI? Understanding programming fundamentals allows developers to prepare datasets, implement algorithms, build machine learning models, analyze AI results. Without strong programming skills, working with AI systems becomes difficult. Concepts learned from programming basics. Learning programming basics helps beginners understand. Checkmark how AI programs process data. Checkmark how algorithms are implemented. Checkmark how machine learning models are trained. These concepts form the foundation of AI development. Where programming basics are used in AI. Programming fundamentals are used in many AI applications such as machine learning models, data analysis systems, image recognition programs, natural language processing systems, recommendation systems. These applications rely heavily on basic programming logic. Simple definition. Programming basics for AI. Fundamental programming concepts used to build and operate artificial intelligence systems. Final summary. Programming basics are essential for learning artificial intelligence. Concepts such as variables, loops, functions, data structures, and libraries allow programmers to process data and build intelligent systems. These programming skills provide the foundation needed to understand machine learning, deep learning, and advanced AI technologies. By mastering programming basics, beginners can start building AI applications and exploring the world of artificial intelligence.